Hey guys, it's Chris Appleton. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a little bit of a different setup. I've been challenged to do 5 hairstyles and I've got 1 minute to do each hairstyle. So I'm gonna put my money where my mouth is and turn up some 1-minute hairstyles. So guys, I brought in my model, AKA my mate, Sarah. So come on in, Sarah. She's agreed to do it because I'm gonna be ragging her around today. Take a seat, Sarah. Do you know what I've got to do?
No.
No, all right. Are you ready?
I'm ready, let's go.
And no assistant, right? I don't have an assistant?
Go.
Okay, let's get this punchy. Hairspray. Okay, so for speed, I'm just gonna do the hairline. Oh well. Okay, Sarah, is that okay?
Yep, I'm good.
This takes me back to my fashion week days. Honestly, I think ponytails are my thing anyway, I don't know. But then what happens is this, you get it good and then you start getting crazy and trying to make it too perfect. How much longer have I got? No, I've not. That's not true. You're just trying to create drama. I've got at least 20 seconds left. Okay, and then, Sarah, how long has it got? Because that ball will go. So this is a good tip to put your ponytail holder above if you can't use extensions and then you still get the wow factor. This is what real girls are like at home trying to do this look. Hang on, let me see. Cute. I think I won. She's got some volume. That's a nice trick for you guys as well. Always put a rubber elastic like an inch above your pony. It'll give you like more height and give you more wow. And it makes your ponytail not look sad. How does it feel?
Feels lovely, nice and bouncy.
Right, beachy waves 1 minute. Okay, let's go.
Go.
Anyone that's doing this at home, this is my tip for creating a loose beachy wave. So quick, braid the hair. Let's get through this. This is a nice trick that I realized you could do because I had a head of like really straight hair and I had to transform it into like a wave super quick.
10 seconds.
It's not 10 seconds because that thing is not.
It is.
No, it's not. You,
10 seconds.
It's definitely not 10 seconds. Sarah, I can see you. You're not. No, that still had. That still had. No, you faked it. You faked it. It's not even been a minute yet. You can see on the camera. There's been sabotage here.
What is the quickest time that you've took to do someone's hair?
The quickest.
Yeah.
Probably there was like a TV show once, and I literally got there and I was like, oh, we'll change the look up. So I like just took all the hair out, like brushed it out, and they were like, came on and they were like, oh, you've got 1 minute left. I hadn't even got the suitcase open of like hair or anything. It was crazy. I did it though. All right, so what I would do for anyone at home, like this is a quick, it's not perfect because I'm doing it in 1 minute. I would braid the hair, clamp it with the irons, and then just make the front look pretty. Just do like a couple of waves just to kind of make it more of the vibe. What do you think, guys? Did I win? Not really, I lost in time, but the look's cute. For anyone that wants to create this look, if you want to use that 1 minute transformation cream, braid it either side and then go bed, obviously you'll get a much deeper wave and then you can just iron the wave. It's actually like a really casual look. For anyone that wants to not put too much heat on the hair, it's a good way of creating waves for sure. Easy. Okay.
30 seconds.
Hang on. Wait, where's my brush? Oh, it's in my pocket. God, now I feel bad for my assistants. Where's my brush? They're like, you're holding it. Okay, snatched. How long left?
5 seconds.
No, it's not.
10 seconds.
No, it's not, because it would go off. We should have done these in 30 seconds.
2, 1.
I'm gonna just keep going. Did it go off? Wait, this is cute. I like this. I like these fast hairstyles. Maybe I should work a bit quicker. You know what, actually, I think I work best under pressure. Sometimes I have like so long to do glam, like a couple of hours. I think sometimes things come out better when I just have like... Wait, did this work? Well, none of you are congratulating me. Yeah, round of applause. So I can't use heat. All right, 1 minute transformation. This always saves me. This stuff you just brush through. Let's see. Okay, that's pretty smooth.
5 seconds. Go, 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 go.
Oh, you still got an elastic in your elastic rubber in your hair. I'm sorry. my God, this part is not the one. Hang on a second, I can't leave you like that. That is such a sad part. Wait, did it smooth? Did it smooth? Or did it work? Can't stop. No one's saying anything, I'll just carry on. Did it work? Oh yeah, look how smooth it is now. That stuff really worked. I'm the winner. All right, top knot, I got this. Ooh. I can't get it up. I shouldn't say that. Sarah, put your head upside down. This is a quick way. Ooh, I feel like I'm doing my sister's hair of like a baby again. Turn this side round. Why are you laughing? This is a health and safety hazard. Sarah, you're pulling away from me on purpose. Put your head straight. This is the worst thing ever. This is worse than Fashion Week. No, it's not. Time is not up, you're making it up. Oh, can I get it round one last time? All right, how long have I got left, guys? The worst. Sarah, you ready for a Zoom call?
Oh, I'm ready. Get down then.
Huh? Wait, how much longer have I got left?
Minus like 5 minutes.
That's not true. Final thoughts? Final thoughts to this. I'm going. I'm over this. 1 minute hairstyles is ridiculous, but I did it. I did all of them apart from one. So. All right, they want an outro, so let's go. That was my 1 minute hair. My name is Chris Appleton. What am I saying? My outro is this. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked that video, make sure you subscribe. And honestly, if you didn't, then f off.